Welcome to the second lecture of this semester. So, yesterday, yesterday I discussed definition of function, right? So today I will repeat the definition of function again because more students were absent yesterday. So today I will repeat definition of function again. Okay. So let me start with the definition. Okay. So look over here. Function. See this function. Okay. So yesterday I explained. So how to define function? Suppose if you have two sets, one set D and another set E. Okay. So to corresponding to each element of set D, corresponding to each element of set D, there is only one element of set E. Then you say this f is function. Okay. So function means this f connecting set D to set E, right? Okay, elements f connecting the elements of set D to set E, set D to set E, right? How to connect? If kullo corresponding to kullo elements of set D, there is only one wahid element of set E, then you say f is function. F define f is a function. Okay. So let me write here one example. Okay. Now look here. This this set D, this set D is called input set, input, and this set E is called output set, right? Output set. So for kullo input, if for kullo input, wahid output, then you say this f defines a function. Okay. So if here input x, suppose here input x, then how to connect output fx, output fx. Okay. And this fx means fx yani this y, output y, right? So if input x, then output fx. Okay. If input a, then how to write output? Output f of a, this way, f of a, right? So just you remember, for all input, if there is only one output, for for all, if every input connecting only one output, then it is called a function, right? So let me write here one example, more example. Let me write here. See, look over here. If here one set, so this is A, and this is B. If taking this B, right? If here I am taking A, B, and C, and here I am taking elements X, Y, and Z. Okay. Now look here. What is the number one condition? If you define function A to B like this, A to B, this is function f, defined this way. So how to define? Look over here. Condition number one, lazim kullo input lazim connect. Kullo input lazim connect. Input mafi bagi. Kullo input lazim connect. Okay. So suppose input A goes to X, input B goes to output Y, and input C goes to output Z. Now look over here. Here, kullo input connect and kullo input only one output. Okay. Input A has only one Wahid output X. Input B has only one output Y. Input C has only one Wahid output Z. Now, no, not like here this B may be मुख्तलिफ. Here X, Y, Z and here may be another T. माफी मुश्किल है ना. In B output set, B set elements बागी माफी मुश्किला. But here A माफी बागी कुल्लो connect. A कुल्लो connect लाजिम. Hina माफी बागी. A माफी बागी. So A kullo connect. But set B elements बागी माफी मुश्किला. Right? But set E लाजिम kullo connect. Okay? Hina बागी T माफी मुश्किला. Right? So for kullo input, if there is only one output, right? Then you say this is function. Now look here. Input A only one output X. Input B fakat wahid output Y. Input C fakat wahid output Z. Right? So this defines a function. This is function. F is function from A to B. Okay. Now let me write here another example. If you write the same set, look over here. This is A. Okay. And this is B. I'm writing like that. This is B. Look, this A, B, input A, B, C, and here output X, Y, in output set A, B, X, Y, Z, and suppose here mojud T, right? Okay. Now this A goes to X, okay, and this C goes to Z, right? Now look, this is not function. This is not function. This is not function from A to B. Why? Because here A connecting, input A connecting, input C connecting, but input B bagi, input B mafi connecting. So function means what? Lazim kullo input connecting. Number one, lazim kullo input connecting, and for each input there is only one output. Okay. So here B bagi, it means this is not function. This is not function. Okay. See another example. Let me write another example here. If I write here one more example, this is set A and this is set B. Okay. Here I am taking A, B, and C. And here I am taking X, Z, and suppose here T. Okay. So if now look here, this kullo input, all input connecting. Number one, all input connecting. But number two, all input lazim wahid output. All condition number two, all input corresponding to all each input, there is lazim only one output, right? But here input B connecting to, so input B connecting to, input B connecting Y and connecting Z, two output. So for input B there are two output. Okay. For input B there are two output Y and Z. So it is not function. Okay. It is not function. Function means what? Number one, you check kullo input connecting, and number two, kullo input connecting wahid output. Then it is function. one input connect kullo input means for each input there is wahid output, right? For each input there is wahid output. Okay, then you say this is function. If look this input B connecting to output, connecting here to. For the input B there are two output Y and Z, so this is not function. Okay, so see another once more definition. Corresponding to each input there is only one output, then you say it defines a function. Okay, now look over here, let me write. Okay, so now look here. Yes, you are right. Look here, I'm taking here input. Look here, set A and here set B. Okay, see this here, you told me input AB and here X. Okay, so input A going to X, input B going to S, right? So this is function because input A connecting Wahid output X and input B connecting Wahid output X. It is function. Okay, if Wahid input connecting to output, then it is not function. So here Wahid input A connecting fakat X, right? And input B connecting fakat X. Okay, this is function. This is called constant function. One element in the input set connecting Lazim connecting only one element in the output set, then it is function. So here A connecting fakat X, not more, and B connecting fakat X, not more. This is function. Yes. Now clear? Okay. Now come to the see. Look, this D here. The input set D is called domain. Input set D is called domain. Okay. Input set D is called domain. This domain. Okay. And here Kullo output. Okay. Kullo output. Now look, if Kullo output is called range. So range means this here E is called codomain. This E is called codomain. This is codomain, right? This is codomain. This is codomain. Okay. E is codomain, and this set D is called domain. This is called domain. Right? Now, all elements, kullo elements in set D is called domain, and kullo elements in set E is called codomain. Codomain. Right? But what is range? Now see range mukhtalif from codomain. Okay? If here see the difference between domain and codomain. If here mawjood, let me write here one set A and here one set B. Okay, here A, B, and C. Here this is set B. Okay, here I am taking X, Y, Z, and T. Right now, A connecting X, B connecting Y, and C connecting Z. Now look, here connecting elements only. See, Hada B set B Kamil called codomain. Okay, so codomain means X, Y, Z, and T Kamil codomain. But what is range? Range fakat hada. X, Y, Z, connecting elements. In the output set B, fakat connecting elements are called range. Okay, so range means only these elements. Here X, Y, and Z. X, Y, and Z. These are the range. The T Mafi range. T Mafi in range because T Mafi connecting. Okay, only connecting elements are range. Okay, if you say co-domain means hada kamil. Co-domain means hada kamil. Kullu elements X, Y, Z, and T. This is in the co-domain. No, not range, not ABC. Range this output set. Range yani output set. Connecting elements in output set is called range. Output element this X, Y, and Z. Okay. Hada A. Set A is Kamil domain. Hada Kamil domain. Yes, output. Output connecting elements are range. And set A, input set Kamil domain. Right? Input set Kamil domain. Okay. Now, clear. Okay. Thank you. Now come to the next point. Okay. See the example. Last lecture I explained this example. Okay. Example number 1. Determine whether each set satisfies a function. Okay. If it does, then state the domain and range. Okay. Then state the domain and range. Okay. First you check the set, given set is function or not. If the given set is function, then write domain and range. If the given set is function, then uktub domain and range. If the given set is not function, then no need. If not function, so no domain, no range. Okay. If function, then domain and range. Okay. So now come to the example. See this example. This set. Look, this set S. Okay. So now look here in this set S. Look, this awwal number 1 element. Awwal element is input. Okay, and input connecting output. -2 connecting output wahid. Okay, awwal element is input and tani element is output. Right? This set S. Awwal element is input and tani element is output. Awwal element is X and tani element is Y. Okay, output. Now look over here. Okay, so now look. So how to check this is function? This set defines a function or not? Not function. Last lecture I explained. Look here. This input. If Wahid input is 2 times or 3 times, then not function. Now look. Hada input salib 1 is hina and input salib Wahid is hina 2 times. Okay. If Wahid input is 2 times, 3 times, then not function. Okay. So this is not function. This set here S is not function because here input salib wahid is itnen marra, so it is not function. Now look over here. Set T. Look set T. Set T. Kullo input is 1 time bus. Maafi zyada. Itnen is fakat 1 time. Salib wahid input is fakat 1 time. Input sifar easy fakat 1 time. Input wahid easy only 1 time. Input 2 easy only 1 time. Okay, so this is function. Okay, So how to define? You check if one input is 2 times, if wahid input is 2 times or 3 times, then mafi function. If input wahid input is 1 time, then it is function. Okay. Yani if kullo input is 1 time in this set, then it is function. Okay. So here kullo input is 1 time. Input salib 2 is 1 time. Input salib 1 is 1 time. Input cipher. Yes. Output no problem. If input is 2 times, input is 2 times, it means input is 2 times, it means input connecting to a wahid input connecting to output. That is not function. Okay. Lazim kullo input is wahid time, 1 time, right? Then it is function. Okay. So check this way. So this set T, this set T is function. Set T defines a function. Okay. Right. So if this set T is function, then you have to write domain and range. Okay. So how to write domain? Domain means kullo input. Take kullo input, that is domain. Look, set solution of this domain. So first you write set T. Set T is function. Set T defines a function. Okay. Set T defines a function. And after that, uktub domain. Domain yani kullo input. Input. Set of kullo input. -2, -1, cipher. See the range. Range yani output. So output what here? Output, so output hada cipher, output wahid, so output wahid here, and output itnain here. So output itnain here. Okay, right? Look, output hina is the output again. Wahid output is 2 times, but output uktu here only 1 time bus. Uktu 1 time bus. Okay, so this is range, right? So this way decide. Okay, now look over here. This match the problem. Look here. Now first you see this set S. Tell me, this is function or not? Here kullo input is 1 time. Look here, input wahid is fakat 1 time. Input itnain is fakat 1 time. Input talata is fakat 1 time. Yes, function. 4 is 1 time. 5 is 1 time. So it is function. So what is domain? What is domain of this? How to write domain? Domain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Write like this. Make this set. This set. Okay, this way. This curly bracket. This is set. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yes. And range. What is range? And 4. 2, 3. The sequence. Tartib daruri. Yes. 2, 3, 4. Okay. 2, 3, 4. And here uktub comma. Right? Okay. Now look over here. Set B. This set T. Tell me, does set T is function or not? Set T. Set T is not function. Why not function? Set T is not function. Why? Because look, here input wahid is 1 time here, and input wahid is 1 time here, 2 times. Okay. So it is not function, right? Here 2. Input 2 is one time and input 2 is two time here. So it is not function. Okay. So not function, leave it. No need. If function, then domain and range. If not function, then finish. Okay. So this set T is not function because input वाहिद easy इतनेन मर्रा, right? And lazim kullu input easy one time, right? So this is not function. Okay. So let me write here one more example. Okay. Okay. Let me write here one more example. See this one. Let me take the pen paper. See this. If I take here one set here, if I take one set here, A, another set I am taking here, B, this is B, okay, and here I am writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. Now look, I define function from A to B. A to B I am defining function F. Okay. So here 1 connecting 1, 2 connecting 2. Okay. 3 connecting 5. Right. And 4 connecting 3. Right. And 5 connecting 4. 5 connecting 4. Now tell me, is it function? Yes, function. Number one condition, how to check? Yes, how to check? Yes, yes, right, right. You understand now? Yes, function. Number one condition, how to check? Kullo input lazim connect. So kullo input here connect. Okay. And number two, kullo input connecting wahid output. Kullo input connecting wahid output. Yes, 6 codomain. Codomain yani kamil. Codomain yani hada kamil B. But what is range here? Can you tell me range? Domain means Kamil A. Domain means Kamil A. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, this is the domain. Yes, you are right. You are right. Domain Hada bus. Domain, sorry, range bus Hada from here to here. This is range. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are connecting. So these are range. Okay. But if you say codomain yani Kamil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? And domain yani hada kamil, set A kamil, domain. Now how to write the function in value form? Look here. How to write? You write f of 1. F of 1 is how we come. F of 1 is how we come. Can you tell me? F of 1 is how we 1. Yes. And f of 2, how to write this? F of 2 is how f of 2 is how we come. 2. F of 2 is how we 2. Okay. And f of 3 come. F of 3 is how we come. F of 3 is how we Khamsa. 5. 3 goes to 5. And f of 4. F of 4 equal to 3. Yes. 4 goes to 3. And f of 5. F of 5 goes to 4. Yes. 4. Yes, you are right. Now you understand the function. Now you understand the function. F of 5 equal to 4. This way you will write. Okay. Now come to the next example. Let me write here. So you know the domain. Domain means this, Kamil, set A. Domain means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And range means Hada range was. Okay. And codomain means Hada, B Kamil. Okay. Now look over here. Another example I'm writing. If I write here, see this. Here 1, 2, 3, and 4. And here I'm writing, if I'm writing here Ashara. See this. Tell me, Hada function wala maafi? Yes, function. Kullo input, Hada Wahid. Yes, function. Input Wahid, connecting Wahid, output Ashara. Input itne. Kullo mukhtalif input connecting one, only one output connecting Ashara. If Wahid input connecting two output, then it is not function. Here, each input, kullo input connecting only one output, so it is function. 1 connecting 10, 2 connecting 10, 3 connecting 10, 4 connecting 10, so it is function. Range is 10, yes, range 10. Range is 10, Ashara, only one element. And domain Hada Kamil. Domain yani 1, 2, 3, 4, Hada domain. And range fakat Hada, Ashara. Range fakat Hada, Ashara, right? This is function. Okay, right? If I write rook, if I write Hidas, okay, and this 4 goes to Hidas, Arba goes to Asra and Arba goes to Hidas. Now look, input Arba goes to output Asra and Hidas. This is not function. Okay, this is not function. So be clear. Don't be confused. Be clear. It is this is not function now, right? Okay. Yes. You understand now function. Okay. Now see another example I'm writing here. And then you tell me. If I write here one set, another set. Okay, this is A, take set A, and this is B. Here I'm writing 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 goes to 1, 2 goes to 3, and 4 goes to 3. 2 goes to 2, and 4 goes to 3. Now it is function. Tell me, is it function? Not function. Why? Why not function? Why it is not function? Tell me. Because for the function, lazim kullo input connect, but hina input talata bagi, input talata mafi connect, input talata bagi. So it is not function. Number one condition, lazim kullo input connect, and each input connecting only one output, then function. Number one, lazim each input connect, and number two, each input connect only one output, then it is function. But here, input talata bagi, not connecting, it is not function, right? Yes. Okay, now you understand function. Okay, and this set A is called domain, and this Kamil, set B Kamil is called codomain, but range only connecting output. Only connecting output, the set of connecting output is range. Mafitan. Okay. right? So last lecture I explained the function, and today I repeated again the definition of function. Now you understand clearly the definition of function, okay, right? So now you understand definition of function, domain, and range, and codomain, okay? Now look over here. So okay, I think it's enough for today, and next lecture. Now next lecture I will not repeat again, okay? From the next lecture, I will not repeat this function, and I will proceed further. Next point, I will teach next point, okay? So today I will stop here. Do you have any question? If you have any question, ask me now regarding domain. Okay, right. So thank you so much for joining the session. If you have any question, you ask me. Feel free to ask any question, right? I will explain everything, inshallah. If you have any confusion in any, then ask me immediately. I will explain, right? So, okay. So thank you so much for joining the session. See you at next lecture, inshallah. Right? Okay. Thank you. Wassalama.